In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Keyword Gap tool in Semrush. This tool helps you quickly see which keywords your competitors rank for that you don't, and where you might be able to close the gap or double down on strengths. It's perfect for uncovering opportunities for content, SEO, and even paid search. From the main Semrush dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click SEO. In the SEO section, select Keyword Gap under Competitive Analysis. This opens the workspace where all the comparisons happen. At the top, you'll see fields to enter domains. In the Your Domain field, type in your website's domain. Right beside it, you can choose the scope: root domain, subdomain, subfolder, or exact URL. Pick root domain if you want a full picture of your entire site's visibility. Choose subdomain for areas like blog.example.com, subfolder for sections like example.com/blog, and exact if you're analyzing a single page. Selecting the right scope keeps the analysis focused and avoids cluttering your results with irrelevant sections. Next, choose the keyword type you want to analyze: organic, paid, or PLA keywords. Organic focuses on search results you earn, paid focuses on keywords you advertise on, and PLA looks at product listing ads used by e-commerce. Starting with organic is a great way to find content and SEO gaps, while paid or PLA can reveal bidding opportunities or competitive ad strategies. Now add a competitor under the next domain field. Pick a direct rival whose audience and offerings are similar to yours. Accuracy here matters, because better inputs produce more useful insights. When you're ready, click Compare. The results show how your keyword profiles overlap and where they differ. You'll typically see categories like missing, which are keywords your competitor ranks for and you don't. Weak, where your rankings trail theirs. Strong, where you're ahead. And unique or untapped opportunities. Use missing to find new topics to target, and weak to identify pages that need optimization. The table will include useful metrics such as search volume, ranking positions, difficulty, and sometimes intent and CPC, helping you prioritize what's worth pursuing. If you're on a free trial, this feature may be locked or limited. In that case, you'll see a teaser view of the data so you can understand the type of insights available. That's the process. Start at the dashboard, go to SEO, open Keyword Gap, set your domain and scope, choose organic, paid, or PLA, add a competitor, and compare. With thoughtful inputs and a clear focus on missing and weak keywords, you'll turn competitive gaps into a practical action plan.